Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this scary rodent face and dress to impress. Okay guys, to create this face, you need custom makeup. And I'm going to go to the makeup selection and I'm going to show you the custom makeup that you can use. Okay, you can skip the eyes. We don't need eyes for this makeup. And then you're going to put on this eyebrow. Okay, you can put on this eyebrows. And then for the lips, you're going to put on this lips, and then you're going to color it black. And then for the contour, just skip it. And the last one, you can select this eyeshadow. Okay, you can put on this eyeshadow, this one, combine it with this one. Okay, you can put two eyeshadows, and then this one, color it black. Wait, I'm going to go to the skin. You can put on this one and also this one, and then you're going to color it black. And for the nose, you can select this one. Wait, let me show you this one, guys, and then you're going to color it black as well. And finally, you will have this scary rotten face and dress to impress. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.